Hello and welcome my friend. And then I am planning to you information that why professionals like I am, why we use these Makita's products, these electric products, cordless or battery based products. Why I like and why professionals thinks that this is the best one electric device. What are those three things that you should to consider also to choose next product what is Makita? Okay, first thing is that this Makita come from Japan, and in Japan is country where name is heritage, and it is really important that the Makitas is the man, Japanese man, what name was Makita, and he created this product brand. And firstly, this is important that this device come from Japan, and Japanese, they have long history and they have to do good things because those old history families they have made similar ways in like 1000 years ago. And this is the first thing, that this come from Japan. And if we compare this Makita like these made in China products, what we can purchase like USA $1 or $2 a piece. This is thing that there is no any history in these things. It is only made in China and price. But this come from Japan. This is first thing. And then why professionals use these Makita products? Second thing is that these products last the longest one. These are extremely durable, and normally Makita's electric tools lifetime is 10 to 20 years, and this is really true. They last so long that, like myself, I have these 3 Makitas, and all of these are in excellent shape and no any issues. Like in that one also Makita, and no any issues. This works always, and they are so durable and easy to use. And then third point is what I already mentioned, is that these Makitas, they are most easiest to use, like this trigger, that one. These are really good contact, and there's no any tolerance, and they are really soft and easy to press. Like if I compare in this Milwaukee, what is also okay system, this is much harder to press, especially if I am weak man or woman. And these Makitas works also to powerful men like I am, and also to weak men and women. And that's this Makita is my choice, because they are so easy to use. And third point is that when we need to replace like batteries, that one, Makitas, these parts are easy to open. Look, these are very easy and no little bit force, and these parts opens. Look how nicely. And these parts goes nicely in here, look. And this sound. It means, listen to this sound. Now I know that this is in secure and ready to work. This is like third point. And if we compare like some another brands, like in that one, these parts, I need much more force to press these, and then when I take, this is like stuck, it is difficult to take out. And now listen to the sound. Now I install. There is no any sound. And now there is a click when I press that. these small things, what are the quality things, makes this product the best. And this is like professional's choice. And you can purchase this from Home Depot in USA and Amazon.com and eBay.com. And I can recommend that professionals use Makita. And then fourth thing is that if we have any issue, like in this my Chinese product, this is crap, this last couple of years, and now when I open that, this electric motor is bad and these coils are also bad, and I don't have any possibility to purchase spare parts in this my Chinese product, but in Makita case there is spare parts service and I can purchase spare parts in this my Makita. But it is not very useful because this Makita works always. No any issues. And please my friend, tell to me that are you Makita owner or have you ever even tested the Makita? Or are you so conservative that when you have one time get product like that one, that you use always this one and you think that this is the best one. And these Makitas, these things, when we like compare in fifth point, this rotation change, that one in here, look, this is really easy to use in one finger in that way. And look, sound. That one, central, and it moves really lightly. And then when we compare in that one, I have to press that really hard. Listen, I need like 5 times more force that this change device moves. But some bodybuilders like Arnold Schwarzenegger, hi you Arnold, American hero, you might like that, or I believe that Arnold likes also easy tools to use, like that one. Really soft, it moves so easily. And that kind of information to you, my friend, that why professionals use Makita products and you can be also the professional.